Welcome to the Proof of Delivery app for SAP Business One by Integrated Applications. Do you deliver manufactured or bought-in items to customers and would like to confirm and capture signatures or photographs when you hand over the goods? With our Proof of Delivery app, your drivers can access information from a standard SAP Business One delivery note via a compatible handheld device. Let's take a look. Here we have a standard SAP Business One delivery note from within SAP Business One. Using the Proof of Delivery app via the browser function on your device, simply select the delivery note number or browse from a list of customers to see all their open delivery notes. Then you'll see the contents of that delivery note. You can confirm or change the quantities as required. Simply confirm the contact taking receipt of the goods and the number of parcels received. Take an accompanying photograph and then hand the device to your customer to sign. Completing the process automatically syncs back to SAP Business One. Signatures and photographs can then be used with customer-facing documents. Then you're ready to invoice. The Proof of Delivery app is quick to install and simple to use. All you need is SAP Business One and a handheld device capable of running a browser. Contact Integrated Applications or visit www.ia.uk.com to learn more or arrange a trial.